Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And a very good morning to Datuk, Datin, mentors and all fellow colleagues. So, I started business public goal once Dr. Lokman came to my clinic last year, June 2024. Dr. Wani, kalau nak pergi free trip, memang kena join public goal. We are Malaysian, we love free things. So cakap, okay, Dr. Lokman dia tak ajar EPP, beli terus Dr. Wani PD, priority dealer. Dia tak nak keluar daripada my clinic. You kena beli juga. Ya, I beli. Kita naikkan apa? Limit tu kan. And then satu je kesilapan Dr. Lokman ni, dia lambat datang klinik kita. Waktu tidak, kita dah pergi dah Switzerland sama-sama tau. So kita dah geram ni, dia dekat Switzerland, dia dengan datuk, dia dengan mentor. Geram lah, kita tak pergi Switzerland. And then tiba-tiba parents pula cakap, ibu bapa nak pergilah Switzerland. Bagai pucuk dicita ulang mendatang, I jump public goal June 2024. My first 5-figure income November 2024. Akhirnya tu babakkan pasport. Satunya kita belanja parents guna business kita sendiri. And then Alhamdulillah with incentive public will give me. And then macam mana unlock Cape Town Ramadan. First Ramadan tu dah tengok, oh lagi 600,000. Kita personal sale, totally personal sale, lagi 600,000 ni. Tak boleh ni, tutup mata, beli 250 gram. Tutup mata. During that time, 250 gram was 105,000. Akhir Ramadan, 29 Ramadan, message Zin, lagi berapa minit ni Zin? How much left? Oh Dr. Wani, I think lagi 150,000. Oh my god. Cakap dengan husband, abang, kita dah buat all out dah ni. Cakap kan, should I? Yes. Proceed. Tutup mata, beli lagi 250 gram. So malam tu memang orang semua tengah nak apa? Berkitau dengan nak rayanya. Kita duk sibuk nak beli 250 gram. Tak tekan DPP, full payment. Oh my god, I cakap dengan staff, please transfer the money. Cakap, doktor kenapa tengah-tengah malam ni doktor nak duit doktor? Cakap, just pay money. So kita terus pay. Alhamdulillah, I can bring my husband together with me. So I cakap, dah so susah. Cape Town, susah gila. Takkan guna duit sendiri ni nak pergi kan? Tapi itulah, kita tahu worth it. Daripada I nak kena spend kan 60,000 nak bring together with my husband. Why not? Alah spend je lah, emas pun kan. And then Budapest, time tu I dah grow up my team. Alhamdulillah, within a month, double ticket Budapest. Alhamdulillah. So Dato', really because I'm doing property auction, right? So jual rumah 200,000 pun susah. But in business public goal 2 million simply in a month. Oh, so memang nice lah business public goal. So easy. For me memang business public goal tak ada lagi lah yang paling mudah, yang paling senang dan paling terpantas yang boleh kita lakukan. Jadi tuan-puan, siapa yang masih lagi belum dapat tiket Budapest, so all out. And thank you very much mentors. Team G100 memang the best. Membantu my team. I got 100 master dealers already, and yesterday another master dealers and a lot of master dealers in my team ongoing. So Alhamdulillah, thank you very much. Sebab tanpa kawan-kawan, saya tak rasa saya ada kat sini. Once kita habis dekat, once I habis kita kat hospital, right, and then I sambung masters, and then I so busy, and then I doing my own business. I tak ramai kawan. I tak ada kawan. Sebab kita punya kawan semua doktor. Tapi doktor-doktor semua doktor yang B40. Aduh, pening kepala. Doktor yang banyak hutang, pening. Aduh, jadi bila kita kat sini, kita buat trip together, and then kita jumpa pula trip C punya bos. Ya Allah, rasa macam overwhelmed. I love this circle. I love this team. Business can come and go, but people stay. Thank you, Dato'. Thank you, mentors and all.